Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to automatically run a program on startup in Windows 10. And if you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So some programs, like things like, for example, Spotify and Steam, have the option to start up when you actually load up Windows 10. To actually enable this, what you want to do is actually come down to your search bar down here. And process to do this is fairly simple. And what you want to do is type startup. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to bring up this one, which says startup apps. And you just want to give that a click. So it's going to load this up in the settings, and what it's going to do is going to bring up a list of all the apps that are eligible to start up when Windows 10 loads through. So you just want to scroll down the list and find the one you want to start up when Windows 10 loads up. And you can see there's toggle switches next to each one, so you can switch them on or off to decide whether they start up with Windows 10 or not. So you can see, for example, I've got Spotify down here. And you can also see the impact it has on your startup time. So for example, AVG, which is like a antivirus software, is currently switched to on, which means it starts up as soon as Windows 10 loads through. And you can see that next to it says low impact, which means it doesn't really slow down the startup time of how long it takes for Windows 10 to boot up and get running. Some apps, they might not appear on here. If that's the case, what you can do is go into the app itself, and normally if you go into the app settings, like for example Spotify, if you went into the Spotify app, opened it and went into the settings, you should see an option in there to load it on startup as well. But this is the main way to do it, and most of the apps and programs would be appearing on this list. And yeah, that's how you do it basically. You just scroll through and click the toggle switch to on for the ones that you want to load up on startup. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.